What is light? Light is a form of energy that allows you to see the things around you. How does light allow you to see things? Light travels away from its source, in straight lines. When it hits an object, it reflects, bounces off, and travels in a new direction. If the reflected light enters your eyes, you can see the object. Definition of light. Light is defined as the electromagnetic radiation, with wavelengths between 380 and 750 nanometers, which is visible to the human eye. Sources of light. All light comes from a luminous source. A luminous source can be natural or artificial. Natural sources of light. Lightning, sun, meteor. Artificial sources of light. Candle, flashlight, lamp. Incandescent light. High-temperature objects give off hot light or incandescent light. For example, the sun is a hot yellow star that warms the earth and fills the world with incandescent light. The sun constantly emits incandescent light. Luminescent light. Luminescent light is cold light. It is emitted without heat. Some animals give out luminescent light. For example, fireflies make luminescent light through a chemical reaction happening in their lower abdomens. Fireflies produce luminescent light in their lower abdomens. How does light travel? Light travels fast. Light takes about 8 minutes and 18.65 seconds to travel from the sun to the earth. Light travels extremely fast. It travels at the speed of 186,000 miles or 299,792 kilometers per second in a vacuum. A vacuum is an empty space, so there is nothing that stops light from traveling. Light travels straight. Light travels in a straight line, similar to a straight line you can draw with a ruler. This is because light travels in the form of rays. When light is emitted from a source, such as the sun or a light bulb, it spreads out in all directions, in a straight line. Light travels in straight lines. When you shine a flashlight or torch at night, you can see that light travels in a straight path. Similarly, when you are in a car at night, you can observe that the headlights shine on the things in front of the car, but cannot light up the things around the corner. When light travels through materials, such as air or water, it slows down slightly. Properties of light. Refraction, reflection, diffraction, interference, dispersion, polarization, scattering. Refraction. When light waves pass from one medium, for example, air, to another, for example, water, with different densities, they bend. This bending is called refraction. It occurs because the speed of light changes slightly in the different materials, causing the wavefront to alter its direction. As light travels from air to water, it causes the straw's submerged portion to appear displaced from its actual position. Reflection. When light waves encounter a surface and bounce back, it's called reflection. This occurs when the energy of the light wave interacts with the electrons in the atoms of the surface and is redirected back into the surrounding space. The smooth surface of the mirror reflects the light coming from your face, allowing you to see yourself. Diffraction. Diffraction seems to be the phenomenon of bending light across tiny obstacle angles, and therefore its penetration further into geometric extent refers. Interference. This would be the phenomenon of light intensity alteration, caused by the rearrangement of light sources of energy of a combination of two or more visible light. Dispersion. Whenever white light has been sent through a prism, it divides into different shades, dependent on its own wavelength. Polarization. Ordinary light resonates perpendicular to the transmission of light, throughout all orientations. When light is restricted to vibrating in just one plane, it is referred to be polarized light. Scattering. Scattering of light is the phenomenon in which light rays deviate from their original path upon striking an obstacle like dust, gas molecules, or water vapors. The scattering of light gives rise to many spectacular phenomena, such as the Tyndall effect, and the red hues that can be seen at sunrise and sunset. Thanks for watching.